Hi, and thank you for your interest in purchasing an MC appliance part. If you would like to order parts, go to our website at www.mcappliance.com. Then you'd be able to select the support tab at the top and a drop down for part. Once you select your MC brand, it'll take you to our part distributor, partstown.com. Then you could enter in the model number, Once you enter in the model number, it'll pull up all the parts available. You could then pull it up by description or search through the list. If you already know your part number, you could go ahead and enter that in the search bar and then add one to your cart. You would also be able to find manuals. Once you enter the model number, you could scroll through the manual tab and you could view the owner's manual. If you have any other questions, you can contact us at 888-775-0202 or visit the website at mcappliance.com and do a live chat. You could also visit our part distributor directly at www.partstown.com, or you can call them at 855-683-2171. Thank you.